Hi everyone, this is Lisette and welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this beautiful flower swag, a perfect embellishment for your journals, planners, and traveler's notebooks. This flower, it is simply beautiful and simply easy. So let's get started. For supplies, you're going to need the following: Foamiran colors of your choice, brad, chalk pastels, iron, scissors, hot glue, a round corner punch, felt, and Velcro. And if you need Foamiran, I will put my affiliate link below in the description box. The first step is to cut a square. You will round the corners with a corner punch. Once you're done, fold it in half and round the other set of corners. And once those corners are done, open it up, fold it in half again, and do the rest of the other two corners. Now these are your petals. If you want to do an additional rounding, you can with a pair of scissors. That's entirely optional. So here I made a total of 5 petals. You can of course make more petals if you would like, and I am starting to shade them with a chalk pastel that is darker and deeper than the pale yellow. Once I'm done shading, I'm going to put it face down onto my iron. The iron is in a cotton setting, but you will very quickly warm up this petal. Don't let it last more than just a second, and you could simply use a bamboo skewer to take it off your iron. So you could easily shape these flowers with your fingers, but here I wanted to have a more wrinkled effect on the petals, so I decided to just fold it in half and just ring it so it can have that crinkled look. And I've noticed that the material is very easy and it pretty much just takes shape to the way you want it. So it's also very forgiving and very flexible. I truly enjoy this material. So here I'm repeating the process. Now I've seen quite a few YouTube tutorials on how to make Foamiran flowers, and I truly believe there is no right way or wrong way. Now if you're familiar with Foamiran, please comment below. I would love to know your techniques or any tips you may have. The next step will be to cut a few leaves, and you could also shade them with a darker green. I'm going to warm up this leaf and I'm going to use my veiner to just create that vein effect onto the leaf. Now here I cut 2 circles. One circle is out of felt, the other one is out of Foamiran. The Foamiran circle is smaller, and you will start to glue down your petals, one on top of the other one as an overlay. In the center, I am placing a dab of glue and I'm going to insert my brad. The next step will be to glue the leaves onto the flower. It will go in between the circle and the flower. Now glue the Velcro onto the bottom half of the circle. I'm just going to add a little bit of extra hot glue because I want to make sure it's fully secured. Now place the other half of the Velcro, add some hot glue, and fold over the circle. Now add some hot glue and place your flower down. And this flower is complete. Such pretty swag for your journals, traveler's notebooks, or planners. I absolutely love it, and I want to know what you think, so please comment or give it a like. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe and watch more of my videos. It's viewers like you that keep me going. Until next time, and God bless.